Hello besties, happy new month to you all. I hope you are enjoying your new month already. As for me, I am enjoying it. And so in today's video, we are going to make a hot chocolate drink. So guys, are you ready? If you are ready, let's do it. So the ingredients we'll be needing for this hot chocolate drink is the chocolates. I have a Snickers chocolate, so I have to put it inside my blender. Then guys, the next thing we'll be needing is milk and sugar. So guys, I have to put 1 tablespoon of sugar into the blender. Then the next step was to top it up with my honey. So guys, I have to put 1 tablespoon of honey inside the mixture already. So guys, when I was done adding my honey, so guys, the next step was for me to add my liquid milk into the mixture. So guys, when I was done adding the milk, the next stage was for me to cover, then blend. So guys, when I was done blending, I have to pour it into my cup. And guys, the drink is looking so yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh my god. I can't wait to have this drink for all of us. And guys, let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this drink, because the drink tastes so nice and and it's so rich in protein and all the essential minerals. So guys, that'll be all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.